Hey, how you doing, guys? Hope you're all good. Welcome to 6 Gear Garage channel. Now, over here, we're going to be showcasing the Abu Dhabi scene. The car scene is going to be crazy. Basically, Abu Dhabi is really well known for different types of things. Like you will find rebuilds, the builds that you get in Abu Dhabi. And also, we're going to be showing you some of the things that you see outside of the garage. At 6 Gear, you will be seeing some auctions that are going to be going on in and around the country, because in Abu Dhabi, which is in the UAE, obviously, I know you knew that, you'll see that people take cars from the auction, and that's what we're going to be doing, rebuild them and put them out there. So we're going to be showing some of the craziest rebuilds that you can ever think of. We're also going to be showing you some of the drag racing that you see here, some of the dune bashing that they do up on. I was in Liwa actually, and I tell you what, if you've not been to Liwa, you need to go, you need to go, you need to go. It's amazing. You need to go to Liwa because the dune bashing up there is crazy. So we're going to be showcasing some of that. We're also going to be showing you how we rebuild cars from scratch to finish. There is also a competition. Now this competition, you need to be a part of it. That's why I'm getting close to you so you can see what I'm talking about. You need to be a part of this competition because this competition is amazing. Where we're going to take a car, buy it, fix it up, and put it on a competition. So if you take part in that competition, you stand to win that car. And I tell you, it's going to be out of this world, yeah? So I'm looking forward to you following us, subscribing, and also sharing our content with everybody that you know. So tell a friend to tell a friend, you get me? And also after that, could you please make sure, like I said, subscribe to all our socials. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, but this is our main channel where we're going to be showcasing two or three videos every week. That's going to be showing the content that comes up from 6 Gear Garage, and it will be dope. It'll be out of this world. You're going to love it. Yeah. Look forward to you guys following us, subscribing, sharing our content, sharing our socials, and we'll be seeing you on this channel because we'll be showcasing all the different stuff that I've just talked about. Peace.